Hello guys, welcome once again to today's video. So today we are looking at how to check your BECE result, that is the 2025 BECE results. Now when the results are being released by the West African examination, you have the opportunity to check your results online. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can stay at the comfort of your home and check your results with just your phone like this, with just your smartphone like this, and you can print it out. You can check your results, convert it to PDF, and then you print it out. I'm going to show you guys how you can check it without going to the cafe. If today is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like the video, and share. This is what we have been doing in this channel, bringing you all the updates about the BEC and WASSCE results, how to check your results, and everything that you want to know. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. So first, I'll leave the link to the WAEC website in this video description and also in the comment section. So the link will be there. So what you have to do is just tap on the link. Okay, make sure you tap on the link. It will take you straight to the platform where you can check your result. This is the original or the official website. The website is now active now for you to check your result. But take note, the result hasn't been released as I'm speaking. Today is 22nd of August and the result has not been released yet as I am recording this video. So we are hoping from any moment from now to the end of this month, which is August 2025, the results will be out. Now, if we go here, this is what you will see. You will see the West African Examination Council, Accra, and then you have the E results, okay, and then you have the help, and then you have FAQ, that is frequent asked questions, and then you have withheld or cancelled. All right. So let me show you guys how you go about it. The first one is your index number. Okay, your index number, that is the 10-digit index number. That is where you need to enter. So just tap on it and you'll be able to enter your index number. Okay, make sure it is for 10 digits. Tap the index number at this place. Now the next one is confirm index number. You need to make sure you re-enter the same index number there. Okay. The next one is your select your exam type. If you hit on the select the exam type, you will see BEC school, BEC private. We are checking for BEC. So you go in for BEC school. Okay, so BEC school, and then you move on to the exams year. You choose the year that you completed the exams. Is it 2025? So if you are checking for 2023 or 2024, you choose the 2023 or 2024. But currently 2025 is what you are looking for. You stay there a month, which is for 2025, which is the year. And then the most important thing, for you to check your results, you will need serial number, and then you will need a password, what we call the checker, the results checker, or the voucher. Now, if you want me to help you to get the voucher, just pick the number on the screen and call me. I'll be able to get you the voucher. Take note, the vouchers are not for free. The vouchers are for sale. It is on sale. So don't think the vouchers are free. So if you're contacting me, take note that you are going to pay for the voucher. And if you want me to also help you or to check the result for you and send via WhatsApp, converting it to PDF and send you so that you can just go and print it. I can also do that, by taking note terms and conditions apply. But for results checker, just contact the number on the screen and then get it from me. So you have your serial number. You enter the serial number. Take note, the serial number is only numbers. That is zero, maybe 01 or 1. It is only numbers. Okay, but the pin consists of the letters and numbers. Take note, the pin consists of letters and the numbers. So you enter the serial number on your results voucher, and then you also enter the pin on your result results checker voucher. Then when you are done, you hit on I am not a robot. Make sure you wait for it to mark just like this, and after that you hit on submit. Hit on submit, and within short seconds you'll be able to see your results. So this is how you can check your BEC results when the results are being released by the West African examination. Just subscribe. I'll be giving you updates when the results is out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.